Today is the 7th March 2021, and we are at a Sunday call. Hi, how are you
Hi.
this Sunday? All the PES juniors, all the DJCCs, all the points of views, all about what is going to be today, and they are useless or anything. Would you please leave it outside? And you can pick it up on your way back if you like. Everything doesn't allow you to be present here in every now moment. To be you, would you be willing to destroy and unkill all? Right, wrong, good, bad, pock, pod, online shorts, boys, and beyonds. So, there was a request for parenting, and there was a request for
No
uh,
form.
there was this request for judgment and no form, no structure, no significance. And all these you we have in every area of our life, right? So, where do you want to start?
No. Semester.
You're not clear, darling.
Hello.
I can't hear you.
Off my AirPods first. Hello. Am I clear,
Yes,
ma'am?
yes, 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 yes.
My request was there for parenting. I find sometimes difficulty that how to channelize the energy of children. Children are having so much of energy, and we don't match up with that, right? And we have so much of other things also. So sometimes it happens that I personally unable to understand that what is his needs, and how could I understand, how could I educate him properly. Sometimes I do mistakes also, or use other kind of words that is not appropriate according to his age or his development. So I am sometimes unable to understand that understand his needs, that मुझे कैसे करना चाहिए, so that first I understand his needs, accordingly I can do the things that may be more beneficial for him. Sometimes I do जब कोई और extra लाइक कोई एक्स्ट्रा बर्डन नहीं होता मेरे पास, और अच्छे से टाइम और स्पेस होता है मेरे लिए, सो आई डू अंडरस्टैंड माय किड्स appropriately, and then I do the things according to them also, or I can nourish them, care for them more. But sometimes it happens that I don't get enough
Can
time,
can I ask you a question?
then yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So, what have you defined your job as a parent is? Can you please mute yourself, Pammi, darling? Okay. So, what is your job as a parent? What do you think is your job as a parent? What have you defined it as a job as your parent? As a parent.
I feel that
Beep.
sometimes it happens that I feel yes, yes, I feel that my child should be like this and that. I have made some structures that he should be behave properly in other in front of others also. Peer group का उस पे इफेक्ट नहीं होना चाहिए, मेरे मतलब मेरे अकॉर्डिंग वाली बात आ जाती है कि
Can I stop you? There was no question. Second, on one side, you're saying, I want to create this with my child. On the second, you're saying there shouldn't be any fear. ये दोनों चीजें इकट्ठी एक प्लेटफॉर्म पे चल सकती है? एक जगह तो मैं चाहती हूं कि ऐसे 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 हो, और दूसरी जगह मैं चाहती हूँ उसको डर ही ना हो किसी चीज का। ये दोनों चीजें हो सकती हैं इकट्ठी।
So मैम
कंट्रोल,
ऐसा,
कंट्रोल एंड नो डर। कंट्रोल एंड डर तो हो सकता है, कंट्रोल एंड नो डर तो नहीं हो सकता। हाउ इज इट वर्किंग फॉर यू?
एक्चुअली यू आर राइट। जब कंट्रोलिंग आती है तो उसके साथ ज्यादा स्ट्रक्चरिंग और ज्यादा डिफाइंड वे में हो जाता है। उसका बिहेवियर ज्यादा अच्छे से शेप अप दिखता है मुझे, और जितना मैं चाहती हूँ कि वो, मुझे कई बार अजीब सा लगता है कि वो फियरफुल ना हो मुझे लेके, या मैं अपने माइंड में सोचने लगती हूँ कि वो मुझसे डर के कर रहा है क्या ये सब काम, जो मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है या प्रॉपर वे में कर रहा है। तो
अच्छा, एक और
जब वो
मैं
ज्यादा,
आपसे, आप एक और, ये जो आप बोल रहे हो ना, ये सबके घरों में हो रहा है। सो देयर इज
अच्छा,
नथिंग न्यू। सो लेट्स डू समथिंग न्यू, राइट?
ओके ओके,
So how is your child behaving normally? Is he happy? Is
या
he doing what he wants to do, or he's always looking at your face?
yeah, he does always what he wants to do, but when he does some weird things, so he look at my face and hide, sometimes
Only
wants to
those
hide the
weird
things.
things? Only those weird things? Then otherwise he's on his own. He doesn't look at you throughout the day. He's doing his stuff. Only when he's doing weird things according to you that he looks at you.
Yes,
He's
yes.
sometimes, he's
Otherwise,
sometimes.
no, he is always
Okay.
nearby to me.
Okay. So what is your kid saying to you with the behavior he is choosing? Weird, what you call weird. What is he saying to you? Can you read? Can you listen through that? Can you hear the whispers of what he wants to tell you with his actions, with his behaviors?
I'm not getting.
जब भी बच्चे का कोई बिहेवियर होता है, वो जब डर रहा होता है, जब वो हाइड कर रहा होता है, जब वो तुम्हारी शक्ल की तरफ देख रहा होता है, जो भी कुछ हो रहा हो, मेरे को नहीं पता आपके बच्चे के साथ क्या हो रहा है, जो भी आपके बच्चे के साथ हो रहा है, वो क्यों कर रहा है, क्या आप उसके थ्रू देख सकते हैं? Are you attentive? Are you aware as to what's going on with your child, with his behaviors?
Yes, he just want to be free. Just want to do the things whatever he wants to do, and he looks at me that
So
मम्मा
those
अभी
things
मुझे
are right.
डांटेगी तो नहीं.
Those things are right and wrong according to you. आप अभी तक भी क्या क्या चीज नहीं कर पाते जो आपके बचपन में आपकी मम्मी को अच्छी नहीं लगती? कोई ऐसी चीज है जो अभी तक भी आप नहीं कर पाते, जस्ट बिकॉज आपकी मम्मी को अच्छी नहीं लगती थी, आपके पापा को अच्छी नहीं लगती? कोई ऐसा नहीं है? कोई ऐसी चीज नहीं है? आप सब कुछ कर
वो
सकते थे
बहुत
अपने माँ
चीजें
बाप के।
थी.
हाँ जी।
No, I was also very ziddy kind of. Uh, I was the same. I find
अच्छा, तो
sometimes
जिद्दी
कि
क्यों होता है बच्चा? बच्चा जिद्दी क्यों होता है?
जब उसको कुछ चाहिए होता है, या जो उसको करना है वो करना है, और उसको रिस्ट्रिक्ट किया जाता है.
तो आपको अच्छा नहीं लगता था जब आप छोटे थे?
नहीं नहीं.
तो क्या आपको कैसे लगता है कि आजकल का बच्चा को अच्छा लगेगा? ये
यस,
गुंडागर्दी कब तक चलेगी?
यस, वही तो.
मेरी दादी ने मेरी अपने बच्चों से की, और उनके बच्चों ने मेरे माँ बाप के साथ की, मेरे माँ बाप ने मेरे साथ करी। यार कम ऑन, हाई टाइम, लेट्स गिव दैट अप।
Yes.
आपको ये जॉब किसने दी? माँ बनने की, पेरेंट बनने की?
Nature.
नहीं, वो बच्चे ने दी जो आया। वो नहीं होता तो आप माँ होते, पेरेंट होते? तो उससे तो पूछ लो बेचारे से। वो उसने चुना आपको, आप उसके ऊपर हावी हो रहे हो। उसको तो पूछ लो, बच्चे क्या चाहता है तू? व्हाट डू यू वांट मी टू डू? If there was no right and there was no wrong, if you were on a holiday, okay, even if you go on a holiday with your child, you tell him do everything, don't you? उसको
Yes.
जो चाहिए होता दे देते हो, उसको जो खाने को मांग रहा होता दे देते हो, उसको जप्पियां ज्यादा देते हो, उसको खुश करते हो, उसको झूलों पे घुमाते हो, उसको पार्क दिखाते हो, जो कुछ वो कह रहा होता है उस टाइम वो कर रहे होते। तो फिर वो चेंज क्यों हो जाता है जब आप घर आ जाते हो? फिर आप मम्मी बन जाते हो। फिर आप वो मम्मी जो इस दुनिया ने डिफाइंड की है।
Right, right.
दिस फॉर्म, स्ट्रक्चर एंड सिग्निफिकेंस दिस रियलिटी हैज गिवन, आप वो बन जाते हो। आपका दिल नहीं करता लेकिन आप बन जाते हो, क्योंकि वो राइट थिंग है। अगर कोई राइट रॉन्ग ही नहीं होती तो फिर क्या करते? आई कांट हियर यू डार्लिंग, आई कांट हियर यू, यू आर म्यूट और व्हाट?
Okay, okay. मैम, आई वाज सेइंग दैट एक कंपैरिजन माइंड में आता है टाइम्स कि मेरे बच्चे का कैलिबर है और ज्यादा, और बच्चा कर नहीं पा रहा है। वो रीजन नहीं समझ में आता है कई बार।
क्या पता वही करना चाहता है जो मम्मी कहती हैं, और वो उसको लगता ही नहीं है कि मैं अपना कुछ कर सकता हूँ। दो दो उसको छुट्टी, फिर दिखाएगा वो क्या कर सकता है। And please ask question, what's going on? What is here that I'm not looking at? When you're so clouded with what's right, what's wrong, what has to be done, what my jethani did, what my saas did, mummy did, what the reality is doing, where are you even looking at what the child is doing? Connect with the child. Ask a question.
Hi. Hi, can I ask a question?
Yes, please. Like, have we finished with Divya? Divya, have you finished? There's something else. Manisha, can I come back to you after we've done with her?
Yes, yes.
यस, यस।
Okay. हाँ जी दिव्या, बोलो। मेरे को
यस मैम।
जब से मैं एक्सेस में आई हूँ, मुझे ये समझ में आया है, all I know I want to be and do is be kind, and rest everything will figure out. Ask a question and choose kindness. Everything will figure out. No reference points, not functioning from autopilot, not functioning from what my parents did, not functioning from what the realities around me is doing. Who can I be today with my child, with parenting? What is parenting? What if parenting was every choice you make from kindness for you and for your child and nothing else? यही एक लाइन है कि पेरेंट इस वक्त अगर मैं काइंडनेस से वर्क करूं तो मैं क्या करूं? You always have a choice to be undefined. हम अपने आप को डिफाइन करना चाहते हैं, मैं तो बेस्ट मम्मी हूं, मेरे को लोग क्या कहेंगे, आसपास वाले लोग क्या कहेंगे अगर ये फेल हो गया तो, अगर ये अच्छा बच्चा नहीं निकला तो। पर अगर आप काइंडनेस और प्यार से उसको पालेंगे, वो गंदा बच्चा हो ही नहीं सकता। मीट हिम लाइक यू आर मीटिंग हिम फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम। जब बच्चा पैदा हुआ था तो कैसा था वो, उसको ये था, इसको पढ़ाऊंगी, इसको ये करूंगी, इट वाज लाइक ओ माय गॉड, बंडल ऑफ जॉय। कैन यू लुक एट हिम दैट वे एवरी मॉर्निंग and then ask him, what would you like to do today? You get to create now, this moment, and then this moment, and then this moment. If you created this moment to the joy of kindness of you, you created the next moment from the joy and kindness of you, and the past is going to be wonderful and the future is going to be amazing. No reference, just be. No shoulds, no stories, no have tos.
Got the answer, ma'am.
Thank you, Dad. Thank you. Okay, Manisha, let's go to you. Let's
Hi.
hear you. Yes, Manisha.
Good morning, all. मुझे
Good
मेरे
morning.
क्वेश्चन का आंसर मिला।
Okay, what was it, by the way?
पूरी रात सो नहीं पाई मैं मेरी बच्ची को लेके बहुत परेशान थी। ऐसा लगता था शी इज गोइंग टू डू रॉन्ग थिंग्स एंड शी इज डूइंग रॉन्ग थिंग्स। आपने कहा राइट रॉन्ग कुछ है ही नहीं। काइंडनेस से तो मैं उसे बचपन से आज तक उसको देख रही हूँ, लेकिन बड़े बड़े डिसीजन है उसके लाइफ के। और मैं सोच रही थी एज अ टिपिकल मम्मी कि दिस इज नॉट राइट, दिस विल नॉट बी गुड फॉर यू। तो अभी मिला ऐसे आप जब कर रहे थे दिस मोमेंट काइंडनेस काइंडनेस, मुझे उसके बारे में काइंडनेस की फीलिंग आ ही नहीं रही थी। और पूरी रात जब मैं जग गई थी 4 साढ़े 4 बजे डर से कि कैसे होगा इसका, कैसे होगा, मैं क्या करूँ, किसको बताऊँ किसको बताऊँ। तो व्हाट एल्स इज पॉसिबल, पूरी 1-2 घंटे बोलती रही, कुछ नहीं मिला। लेकिन इधर आने के बाद तुरंत आंसर मिल गया, बी काइंड। जो होता है हो रहा है होगा, वो देखा जाए। थैंक यू सो मच।
When your child, when you don't feel any kindness for your child, when you don't feel any love for your child, when you want to beat them up, that is the time you need to take them in your arms and give them a tight hug. Their behaviors are asking you to choose different. वो जो बिहेवियर करते रहते हैं, हम अपने अपने फिक्स पॉइंट ऑफ व्यूज में और अब तो मैं और स्ट्रिक्ट, अब तो मैं ये भी कर लूंगी, मैं वो भी, अब मैं क्या करूं, मैं किससे पूछूंगी। ये सारी कहानी से वहां पे भी वो कहानी, वो भी एनर्जी जाती जा रही है, और वो उतने स्टबर्न और उतने व्हाट यू से भटकते हैं, क्योंकि उनको आपके साथ लड़ना है। Awareness from your life and from their life just runs out. You can only bring them to the awareness of what works for them only when you have no point of view, when you have no judgment. Okay, baby.
Let Kavita in. Sorry, I'm interrupting. Kavita is asking to let her in. वो बार-बार लिखे.
Okay.
Kavita.
Thank you so much.
Right.
There are three people here waiting, and I was so busy talking. Thank you. So that's what I was saying. I started it. What is their behavior telling you? Their behavior is screaming to you and telling you, change yourself. This is not what I want. I want your attention. I want a hug from you. Just one hug would do everything that you want them to do. Or maybe not, or maybe more. And maybe that is the space we can invite our children to ourselves. A place where there is no definition, where there is no judgment, where there's no point of view. हम भी जब चुनते हैं, we choose from our awareness, whatever we know, right? And we make mistakes. We don't try to make mistakes. We choose sometimes which we think make mistakes. But we always learn from those mistakes. Those mistakes are not mistakes. If there was no mistake in this world, every mistake was an awareness, was a stepping up. Would you call that a mistake? No.
Ma'am, can I ask something?
Yes, please, go ahead. Go ahead.
Ma'am, it happens that I have seen a child that it happens when her mother becomes more kind and loving to her and become more giving more freedom to her. The child becomes doing other things in a very more weird way and saying the lies so much also and taking benefits of also कि आपने तो बोला था कि मैं आपका प्यारा बच्चा हूँ मैं तो झूठ नहीं बोलूंगा ना फिर ऐसे टाइप और फिर वो और ज्यादा झूठ बोलते हैं और अपने अकॉर्डिंग मतलब पेरेंट्स उनको ज्यादा फ्रीडम देते हैं लव देते हैं सब कुछ देते हैं then the child is taking benefit out of those things also. So why it happens?
You think it happens like that?
Hmm?
You tell me. Does it happen like that, or is it a lie or a story that you are making it true?
No, ma'am. I'm telling about another child.
So that's what I'm saying.
Yes, it's
Just
true.
1 minute, just close your eyes, lower your barriers, pock and pod everything that you heard. Now tap into the energy of the mother and daughter or son and ask, the story that I have heard, is that true? Does it lighten up your world? It doesn't take that long, Divya. Does it lighten up your world or does it contract? झूठ लग रहा है कि सच लग रहा है?
झूठ लग
उनकी
रहा है मैम
कहानी
थोड़ा
सच लग रही है कि झूठ लग रही है? Please
झूठ
don't
लग रही है
listen to
मैम
what people say. Please don't listen to what people say. Go into their head, what the head is telling you, the energy is telling you. Because मैंने तो ऐसे कर रहा, हम सारे ऐसे बोल, सारी जिंदगी मैं भी बोलती हूँ, मैं तो ऐसे करती हूँ, पर दूसरा ना बिल्कुल नहीं ठीक रखता, मेरे बिल्कुल बात नहीं, दूसरा तो बिल्कुल खराब है, दुनिया ही खराब है. How often have you heard all that shit and
Yes,
never
ma'am.
looked at yourself? I hide 10 things and tell you only the 2 great things about me, and you buy into it. इतनी बार लोग कहानियां बता रहे होते हैं और हमें लगता है ये जो कुछ बोल रहे हैं झूठ बोल रहे हैं, इनके दिमाग से कुछ और, मेरे को तो कुछ और दिखाई दे रहा है, सुनाई दे रहा है, और ये कुछ और ही बोल रही हैं. Please follow and trust your energy, not what people say. Not what people say. People who are genuinely letting their children, empowering them and choosing that. What else is going on? Maybe the mother is not doing it. Maybe the other family, what the child has seen the mother going through or somebody else going through. You don't know where the child picks it up from. You don't go into ऐसे करूंगी तो वैसे होगा, ऐसे करूंगी तो वैसे होगा. कभी नहीं होता. Ask a question, get the energy, choose it. Yeah, that easy. वो बड़ा मुश्किल है यार. कहानियां सुनते रहो, फिर बनाते रहो, फिर गलतियां निकालते रहो अपनी दूसरों की. This, what question can I ask? अगर नहीं भी है question, if there was a question here, what would that be? Like you're meeting somebody for the first time, like you're meeting you for the first time, no past.
Sir, कितने क्यों नहीं है?
Sorry, can you mute yourself, Nipi?
ये तो रात को था.
Whoever is iPhone, can you mute yourself, please?
Kamal, I'm muted.
So who is not muted?
I think Pammi. Pammi is not. I don't know.
Hey, I have muted. I have already muted.
Acha, chalo, now there is no noise, so maybe.
Kamal, do a mute all and then you can unmute yourself.
Acha. So,
Kamal, can I add something here?
yes,
I
please go.
Yeah. So thanks. So, it's about lies. Like when my children were growing up, I had this great resistance to everyone. तूने झूठ क्यों बोला was the biggest thing. तूने ऐसे क्यों किया, all that, the normal parenting. Unless one day after Access, I got to know कि मैं अपने आप से कितना झूठ बोलती हूँ. सारा time I make myself small, I make myself contracted. Hare, I'm such a magnificent being, a diamond in this world. I'm a miracle. मैं अपने आप को क्या शीशे में ये नहीं ठीक, वो नहीं ठीक, मैंने ऐसे क्यों बोला. All the time I'm lying to myself. And I was resisting lies. No wonder my children and everyone around me was lying. Because I was resisting lying and I was lying to myself. That was the energy. When I got it, that how beautiful I am, how gorgeous. And I stopped lying to myself and being blatantly honest and speaking my inner chatter about myself. First, I started with myself. Everything changed. That resistance to lies changed. People started coming up and I would just say, truth in my mind. And ठीक है, awareness आ गई, वो झूठ बोल रहा है. Okay, you don't have to do anything. You don't have to be anything. अगर झूठ बोल रहा है तो बोल रहा है, ठीक है. Okay, now what? Now what? Then just ask question, what else is possible? Instead of fighting, तूने झूठ बोला, वो fight ही चली गई.
And when you come to, it's such a gift when you come to know this person is lying, then you know
Yes.
how to spread your cards.
Yes, absolutely. It's that you get how to manipulate, you do, because nothing is right and nothing is wrong. Even speaking lies is not wrong and speaking the truth is not. I mean, what is true for you is all that matters. And once you know within, this is true for me, that's it. You don't have to broadcast it. You don't have to fight for it. There's nothing. You are that true that you are for yourself.
Yeah. And also, can I add something more, that when somebody is lying, it's their behavior. We choose, because वो कहते हैं सीधी उंगली से घी नहीं निकलता तो टेढ़ी करते हैं. So if the child is, I don't know about the other person, I'm not bothered, but if the child is lying to you, what is creating that? Can I change that? Can I change what energy, space and consciousness, magic, miracle, mystery, choice can I be that will create a different reality with my child and me? What would I like to have in my life, in my family? And that choice is not coming from what I'm supposed to do, what I shouldn't do, what I have to do. No, that choice is coming after you ask the question and follow the energy. It's not making you wrong. It's not making the other person wrong. It's just getting aware to what else is possible. Would you like to invite your children to this space? Space of where there is no judgment, no point of view, no definition. Just you and them. And if we can tell you are an infinite being and you are perfect as you are, then the child is also perfect as the child is at that moment. Anybody else with a question? Pammi wants to ask a question, it seems. Pammi Sadana. Is there a question there?
And even I have one.
So, Pammi, if there is no question there, please can you mute yourself? Yes, Gitu, go ahead.
Thank you for from the beginning of the session. It's enlightening. So one thing that is coming to me, as you said, we can be in a space where we have no forms and no structure, have no judgment. So we want to put it as content or stuff. What comes is, क्या ये actually होता है? क्या ये दिन रात हम actually कर पाते हैं? There is, what will it take for me to be conscious and be, the kind of parent or the mother that you just, I was picturizing myself when you say, when you were talking, but then even at times I lose it.
What's wrong in losing it? What's wrong? What have you made wrong in losing it?
Yeah. What will it take for me to be a good mother to him, right? And
no, you don't want to be a good mother. You want to be good to you first. And you want to have your voice. Having your, we are not telling you to don't have a voice.
Okay.
What if you could be you?
So I remember, the control freak call. Yeah, I remember the control freak call we did. So it's like we all are control freaks, and even kids are superior control freaks, is what I can say.
So
right?
how can you
control us with their tantrums, with their.
So how can you out-create them?
Yeah. This is question is,
what do I do? Manipulate them, out-create them. And you do that all the time. You don't acknowledge it.
And we do it. Yeah, we do it. And they're like, if they need something, by hook or crook, they get it done, right? But जब हमको उनको पढ़ने बिठाना है कि नहीं जी एग्जाम है तो तुम पढ़ लो, तो मैं तो तभी पढ़ूंगा जब मुझे पढ़ना है. And then I leave and I'm like, okay, then do it on your own. And then he would sit on, at a time that he chooses to.
Can I stop you? No story. Can I stop you?
Yeah, please. Yeah. Sure. The question, you just said it. What?
Can I stop you, darling? Your point of view creates your reality. उनको जब चाहिए वो ले लेते हैं, जब हमें चाहिए हमें नहीं मिलता. तथास्तु.
That's why I muted myself. Now tell me.
So, wow, I can do it. What else is required? How can I get him to do this? Or does he even require to do it? This is one side. Second side is empowering him. You fail, it's your choice. You pass, it's your choice. Let me know when you want to study. I am washing my hands off. Maybe that will work. If this doesn't work, something else will. Why do you give up? Never give up, never give in, never quit. Children also have stress, guys. Poor things. Now look at this reality, how much stress those guys have. और उनका जो सीरियस है, उनका जो सिचुएशन सीरियस है, आप शायद समझ ही नहीं सकते, जैसे वो आपकी सिचुएशन नहीं समझ सकते. Gitu, are you done?
Okay. Yeah, kind of. I'm just like, it's
So
getting
what
into
else?
my brain and just trying to process what you're saying.
What if you didn't have to get to the brain? Didn't you process it when you heard it? When you heard it, was it light or heavy? If it was light, you processed it. Processed it. If it was heavy, ask another question. It's very easy, my love. Don't make it
It
hard.
was it was mixed. Okay.
So what other
It's
questions?
easier said than done is what's coming in my world, Kanwal.
Very good. Tathastu. Easier said than done.
Okay.
Yes, it is. It's easy. Oh, come on, show me what else is possible.
So
How
I
does it
think
get better than this? If you are here, if you are in that energy, it is easy. But oh, it is easier said than done. Yes, tathastu. Your point of view creates your reality.
oh, enough, enough. Okay, okay. No, I don't want this Tathastu. I want this one. Bless you one now. I don't want this one anymore. I want this one. So I
Hey,
hear you.
don't choose it.
I'm like, sure, it will be more. My son will be more blessed.
He
I'll
chose
be
you.
more blessed, and then
He
my son will
chose
be
you,
more
darling.
blessed. So let's
He
have more
chose you.
fun. Yeah.
He chose you, so he's blessed anyway.
Yeah.
He knew it.
Thank you, Kawal. Thank you for changing the way life will be from this moment. Thank you so much.
Yes, yes, yes.
You've lessened that burden of, or what do we say, an ideal mother. You've lessened that
मुझे
burden
ही करना है, मैं ही करूंगी, मैं
and
सब
me
ठीक कर दूंगी.
creating. Yes,
Yeah.
yes. And I love the way you said, how can you outcreate your own child? That was something, very
Yeah, he thinks
something that
smart.
brought a lot of
We
light
tell
to
him
my
you are
space. Yeah.
smarter. Yeah,
Thank
you're welcome. Anyone else wanting to ask another question?
Yes, I want
Yes.
to say
Okay,
something.
Manisha,
Can
go
I?
ahead.
Uh, my my daughter was blaming me all the time. It's only because of you that I'm in this situation. And the things went wrong from that sentence. I went in stories. What wrong I have done? Now what can I do? What can I do? I was asking, but अभी तक वो मेरे दिमाग से नहीं जा रहा. So what can I do at that point? I'm asking universe.
So I'm
All
I'm going I'm going to give you a question to ask. Say, instead of constantly fighting with her, instead of constantly fighting with me as to what is right, what if I tried something completely different? Now, you don't need to know what that completely different is, but when you ask this question, and everything that does not allow me to perceive, know, be, and receive what's completely different universe, I destroy and uncreate it all. You always have a choice. हमें लगता है बस वही 4-5 choices हैं जो मेरी माँ के पास थी, जो मेरे neighbor के पास हैं, जो मेरी friend के पास हैं, जो मेरे को बताई गई हैं. नहीं. There are million different choices that you can choose when you ask a question. If you don't ask a question, it doesn't work. So instead of constantly fighting with you, fighting with your child, fighting with what's right and what's wrong, would you be just willing to ask, what if I tried something completely different? Universe, can you show me that? Can I have that, please? Choice creates awareness. Question gives you the possibilities and choices. You will know sometimes there and then. Sometimes you will automatically step into what is required. And sometimes the child will itself tell you, this is what I'm doing, and it will lighten up your world. Oh my God, yes, go ahead. You don't know how it's going to show up. It never shows up the way you have decided it's going to show up.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Just be in question 24/7. इसके अंदर गए नहीं तो बेड़ा गर्क हुआ नहीं, क्योंकि उसको तो बस वही पता है जो पहले आपने भरा हुआ है उसके अंदर, उसने तो फिर वही बताना है, वही करना है, फिर आप वही वही करते जाते हो, वही वही होता जाता है, कुछ नया नहीं होता। कुछ नया करने के लिए कुछ नया चुनना पड़ेगा।
Kamal, can I add something here?
Yes, please go ahead.
I think when a child blames you and says it's all your fault, it's the ultimate manipulation, isn't it?
Exactly, exactly.
So
And you
we
buy
need to out-manipulate them,
yes all the
not
time,
feel guilty.
asking a question.
Yeah.
Thank you.
And we get in that self guilt mode at times.
Yeah, yeah.
And so we don't have to do that.
Yeah.
So Kamal, I just have one thing
I'm going to say
ask here.
something.
May I?
I'm going to say something that you're not like it. We are not willing to be mean enough to make them take care of themselves.
True. True.
So look at it. What's going to make him choose something different? What can I be and do that is going to make him choose something different?
Different.
Maybe running away is a good idea from that choice. Okay, I give up. I have done what I knew. I don't know. You are the millennium child. You know so much more than me. Not from a point of view of bringing them down, but from a point of yeah, really, can you guide me? What do you want really? Is it working for you? Would you like to do that? Will it create greater for you? What's light for you? Give them these tools, guys. Give them these tools. Mamta, I have entered her. I'm learning to do it myself. My Mamta is not here, so I'm learning to look at both sides and getting good at it.
He's energetically always there with you.
Yes, you are.
So your head will talk, somebody waiting.
Yes, you are always there. I'll say Mamta would remember. Mamta would do this. So I remember you all
So
the time.
Kamal, I was just asking a question.
Yes, go ahead.
What the question here is coming that what can I say to a child? Or this is for, you're saying we have to be ourselves and stop being a control freak and, have no forms and structures and operate from a space where we have no judgments and all. I get that. What will it take from a child to operate from a similar space? Ye expectation aa rahi hai meri. That what can or they already do. I am not sure.
Children never do what you tell them to do. They do what you do. Are you doing that?
Okay. I hear you. So as they echo and copy us, so once I start doing it, he'll start doing it. Okay.
Are you without judgment?
It's easy, darling.
It is easy peasy, but we may want to make it hard. There's only one thing you want hard in your life.
Thank you so much. It's so fun. The facilitation is so fun today.
Thank you. So,
I'm sitting in the garden.
So, like what we say to others, this is a very, very question that I ask myself all the time. What can I gift? What can I give to receive what I desire? I don't have to decide. I'll just know. I'll just step into it. I'll just know it. What's going to make him choose something different? What can I gift him for him to choose? What can the universe gift him for him to choose what will work for him? You could try that. You have to use all your weapons,
Thank you.
all your tools. You got to be smarter than the little shit. Gary would say that.
The moment you said that, yeah, the moment you said that, so that that image of a Devi with multiple hands showed up with weapons.
Yeah. So I heard Gary say the phenomenon of parenting is always let your children choose and have no point of view. What we learn from our experiences, we never forget. So let them learn, yeah. You can't save them. Stop saving them. They can save themselves. Empower them to save themselves. Ask, what is my job as a parent? Universe, show me.
Good morning, Kamalji. That
Good morning.
answers my question. My kids are
Yeah, I
grown up.
can't. I don't talk to people who I can't see.
Okay, okay.
I don't like to talk to walls.
Okay.
Wow, now
Good.
beautiful.
Yeah.
Tell me. Now tell.
Yeah. My kids are, yeah, that answers my question, because I was living in this, like, always this thought that maybe I have not groomed my children well, or maybe I have not like let them know what is good for them or not, because now they are married. But still, sometime when things go wrong, I start asking myself whether I did what I did to make them like this only. So today I got the answer.
Stop making yourself God. Who gave you that job?
that was the only, like, everybody tells me, like, you have groomed your children so well, बच्चे इतने अच्छे हैं, सब हैं, लेकिन deep in my heart, whenever something is wrong, they don't behave properly, or they are not happy with some choices, so I start asking myself, instead asking the universe, I am asking myself.
Because this is what we've been taught, na. तेरे नहीं, तुमने ही कोई गलती करी होगी. कोई भी दुनिया में गलती हो रही है ना, तो वो मैंने करी है. Please give that job up.
मैंने करी. Yes. ये मेरे साथ है कि मैंने किया है, कि मेरी वजह से है शायद.
यहाँ पे जितने लोग हैं ना,
लोग अपने बच्चों को
किसी टाइम पे.
Rather, I think I have been a very, like, lenient mother, a very friendly mother, and my kids also, they say so, and they never blame me, they never say me कि आपने मम्मा ऐसे क्यों नहीं ऐसे, but अपने अंदर से मैं नहीं वो निकाल पाती हूँ.
You are a perfectionist.
आज कुछ तो सो आज पेरेंटिंग का था, तो मुझे लगा कि सबके छोटे बच्चे वाले सब बात कर रहे होंगे, मेरे बच्चे तो इतने बड़े हो गए हैं, शादी भी होगी, बट आई मस्ट लिसन. आई एम नॉट एबल टू ज्वाइन यू मेनी टाइम्स, some constraints, so but otherwise it's always good to.
You can always listen to them on YouTube. They're all there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Thank you
please,
so much for being there.
Thank you. So please don't try to be a parent. Try to be you.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Can I share?
Thank you. Yes, please.
Can I
There
share
no
something,
shame.
Kamal?
Yes, please
Anji?
go ahead. Go ahead.
So a little snippet about this. So, like I'd mentioned, I think earlier also, I'm a grandmother of 6 grandchildren, and 3 of them are X-Men. Okay, and they're not here; they're in the US. So, जब शुरू में उनकी diagnosis हुई, I had this need to be needed there in the US. Okay, every third, fourth month I was there for 4 months, and most of the time I was feeling guilty. Like she said, I was feeling sorry. I was instead of asking questions, I was saying, oh my God, mere hi bacche kyun, unko hi kyun, and not even empowering my children within my mind that they are infinite, right? So I was not into Access then, and then I got into Access, and I suddenly realized, oh my God, are they not infinite beings themselves? That my little grandchildren, they're so cute. So what do they X-Men? What capacities do they have? That I'm not acknowledging, and all that, and of course, tons and tons of questions. I looked at myself. What is that creating within me when I don't empower my
Please,
children?
Harshita, please mute yourself. Harshita, please mute yourself. Yes, thank you. Anji Neeraji.
And also making so many iPubs, and I'm at such a beautiful space right now. I don't have to rush to the US. They're so empowered. They've got the best therapists around, and they themselves are in love with their children. And they like what was actually running, what's wrong with them? Okay, what's wrong with these children? And by constantly asking what's right about them, oh my God, my space has magnified, I don't know, 1,000 times, million times, and everything is so beautiful. And they themselves, they are so empowered, And they tell me, Mom, just come here when you want to have a holiday, not to look after our kids. We're fine.
Yeah.
So you can change anything in your life if you just allow yourself to be you.
So you change your point of view. You change your
Yes.
point of view. They change their point of view.
Yes.
Yeah. वो कहते हैं हम तो माँ बाप हैं, हमें तो करना ही पड़ेगा. I have met so many parents who go abroad crying कि यहाँ बिल्कुल बच्चों को पालने जा रहे हैं, हमने अपने बच्चे कर लिए, अब उनके बच्चे पालने पड़े, जरूरी जाना पड़ेगा, अब डिलीवरी है, अब ये. They are not enjoying it. Maybe they enjoy it when they're there, but they enjoy being here more, and they make themselves wrong. That they decide they need to look after themselves. Children themselves will know how to take care of their children.
Yes.
Thank you for sharing that. Thank you. Yes. Any questions? We are nearly 4 minutes more. So, many of you might not like this, but we have learned, we have said, we have lied, like Neera and me have said, that we have lied to ourselves so many times. We've lied to our children so many times. And our parents kind of threw a lot of lies on us also. We didn't have a full picture. So when you feel contracted, you can ask, is that me? Or am I buying, or am I functioning from the lies I was buying into while growing up? Are these lies that I bought? Is this mine or somebody else's? And you will get the awareness of it. You will know what else is possible. Because our parents did some crazy things. They did their best to bring us up. Ours was even more conscious, whatever that word is. But you might not choose what they were telling us. That might not be true for us. So ये मेरे माँ बाप हैं इसलिए मैं इनके बारे में कुछ नहीं कह सकती. No, they are great, they are good, they did their best what they could do. But there were some things that didn't work for me. Be honest with yourself, guys. Be brutally honest with yourself. And that little thing, it might be just one, it might be two, sticks to us all our lives. What our teachers said, what our grandparents said, we make it so valuable, we give it so much of form, structure, and significance that we carry doing that all our lives. And are we happy? That is the question we need to ask. If you were there, would you be choosing it? Choose something different that works for you. Everything that brings up, would you be willing to? There was such a lot of quietness. Nobody wants to hear anything about their parents. Right, wrong, good, bad, pop, pad, on, short, by. Yes, darling, come on. Kiran, hi.
Hi, Kavan.
Hi.
I mean, it is so enlightening when you, it is like coming face to face with what we all have been going through at various stages of our life. We all have gone through these times when we blamed ourselves, or we were so judged by our own parents and by our own kids, and so many times we have made ourselves wrong so much for silly things. And when you choose consciousness, you suddenly start realizing what shit you were doing. Yeah, because it's suddenly you become so aware that, like, just by asking questions, you are changing the reality, and like it's so easy. But we were so unconscious and like so much less aware till the time we chose this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's just asking questions, getting aware, changing.
I have done everything. I have done that with my younger son when he was wanting to go to college. So he was in two minds, like what to do, what not to do, where to go, what not, and he wanted to be out of Delhi. So I said, okay, choose. Wherever you want to go, you choose. You want to go for exams, I'll take you. You want to go for entrances, I'll take you. You choose now, you decide. So like at one place we went and we deposited the fees, and like then he said, while we were coming back, and he said, I think I don't want to be in that city. I'll be in Delhi only. I said, your choice. You have no this thing. And then he joined Bennett University, and he's so happy, Kaval. It is like the kind of work they get it done with him, and the way he's putting it, you can see him transforming.
Yeah.
And I had just then, like, I had just started being in Access that point of time, and little bit what I understood and whatever I picked up. So I said, okay, you choose whatever you want to choose. Choose what feels right to you. Just choose. If you want to be here, not there, wherever, and it just
How
worked
many?
out.
Yeah.
So
How
I'm
many
really so
children?
grateful. Yes,
How many parents
I have two sons.
do that? No, I said, how many
Yes,
parents do that with
yes,
their children? You know, you have done this, you
exactly.
have to now follow it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So like, and he always says like, yes, I think I have made the right choice by being here in Delhi. I said, perfect, good for you. It worked for you.
You know, my son did engineering. Everybody, I think
Hmm.
most of them know here. My son did engineering from Chandigarh, which is a prestigious college, and he did electronics. And he worked, studied, got the degree, worked for 10 months, and came home and said, I can't do this.
Yeah, exactly.
And then he didn't do for 3 years. He did street theater on the streets. In electronic engineer from Peck did theater on the streets. I won't say there were times that I wasn't uh, myself. I was not happy, but he was happy. I could see that he was happy. And then he did Jama Millia, masters. Everybody around me was angry at him and at me. But somewhere I knew, I wasn't in Access, but somewhere I knew that if the child is not happy, he cannot be a good citizen. He cannot be a good child. He cannot be a good father. He cannot be a good partner. You have to be happy to create that around. So then now he's shooting. He's at the moment shooting for National Geographic. He loves birds. He can just hear the birds and tell you which bird it is. उसकी आवाज कैसी है, उसका बीक कैसी है, उसकी पूंछ कैसी है, ऐसे आंखें बंद करके बता देगा आवाज से. So he loves what he does. I mean,
Exactly.
how much can we give our children? There's never enough. Never enough.
Yeah. I also told them, I said, like, there is no set rule that what courses you have done, you have to pursue that only. That becomes your ultimate thing in your life. It's not like that. You still have the choice to change, and you still have the choice to pick up something else and be whatever you brings joy to you. And it is actually showing up beautifully in their world.
Yes, please. Are you listening, guys? All of you. This is how you actually get the vibes of what. Ask your children. They chose you. They know they can manipulate you. So it's not about manipulating them. It's about doing what works for both of you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. It was a so wonderful session, and I also
Divya,
got
thank you.
every answer.
Yes. Hanji Samona ji.
हाँ जी कवल जी हेलो
Yes, go ahead.
कमल मेरे दो क्वेश्चन है एक तो ये है कि मैंने जब से अपने बेटे का बार रन किया है ना तब से रिलेशंस आई डोंट नो क्या हो गए और दूसरा क्वेश्चन ये है कि मेरा बच्चा बचपन से ही ना जॉइंट कस्टडी में पला है तो अभी भी वो बहुत कम आता है तो आई डोंट नो क्या करना चाहिए मैंने ठीक है उसको उसकी चॉइस पे छोड़ देना चाहिए या
आप बताओ, what lightens up your world? Have you asked a question? Or you just go in your head and asking क्या करूं? वहां पे तो वही पता लगेगा क्या करना है जो हमेशा ही पता लगे क्योंकि उधर तो सॉफ्टवेयर ही वही है. नया सॉफ्टवेयर डालो ना, कंप्यूटर में वही सॉफ्टवेयर है और काम कुछ और करना चाहते हो, ऐसे कैसे होगा?
क्या क्वेश्चन पूछूं मैंने
आप
क्या
हिंदी
पूछ रहे थे?
पंजाबी क्या क्या चाहते हो उससे?
क्या क्वेश्चन पूछ
क्या चाहते हो?
आई डोंट नो मैं चाहती हूँ कि वो ठीक ठाक रहे बस.
So what would it take for him to be always happy and joyous and free?
Yes.
You really want that? You are a liar. Sorry.
No, no, no.
You want something. Honestly, truth. What do you want? Actually, problem ये है कि difficulty ये है कि we have no role models for good parenting. As model, we have only our parents or our grandparents or our aunts and uncles. Or everywhere we see the same damn story. पेरेंट्स कोशिश कर रहे हैं, माँ बाप खुश नहीं है. ये कौन है आपके पीछे से? मोना कुछ बोलचाल चल रही है?
No, 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 मेरे पीछे.
So can you mute yourself, guys, please? Hello, can you mute yourself? ये कौन बच्चा बोल रहा है? Can you mute yourself, guys, please? Thank you. Thank you so much. Yes, Simona. So
कमल मैंने उसकी चॉइस पे उसको छोड़ दिया है लेकिन समटाइम लगता है क्या मैंने ओके बट
आपने उसको उसकी चॉइस पे छोड़ दिया खुशी से कि अच्छा कर ले जो तूने करना है.
हाँ कर ले जो तूने
What is the energy? What is the energy?
एग्जैक्टली कर ले
तो फिर वो तो ना ही छोड़ा हुआ ना, वो तो फिर नहीं छोड़ा हुआ ना. You don't trust him, you don't acknowledge him, you don't empower him, you're telling him अच्छी गलती कर रहा तो कर ले, मैं दफा हो, मेरे को कुछ मत बता. That is not. What if you honored him? What if you trusted him, bacha? I am always, will he ever come back to you? Will he ever ask you anything if you are that energy? or if you made him sit with you and said, मेरे को भी पता नहीं जिंदगी में क्या क्या करना चाहती थी मैं नहीं कर पाई क्योंकि मेरे माँ बाप में ये मैं वो नहीं होना चाहती तेरे लिए बच्चे, तू जो करना चाहता है कर, अगर मेरी जरूरत है तो बताना. Is that energy different?
एग्जैक्टली कमल, कभी कभी मुझे भी लगता है कि वो फ्री चाइल्ड की तरह बड़ा हो, ऐसा नहीं कि मैं कुछ चाहती हूँ उसके पापा कुछ चाहते हैं. या
So let him be, no? If you empowered him, now why do you want to control?
पर समटाइम मुझे लगता है कि वो भी नहीं हो पा रहा है, वो थोड़ा सा तो रिजिड सा बच्चा है.
उसको दिया क्या आपने? एक्सपेक्ट क्या कर रहे हो? Don't blame. I'm not blaming you. Don't take it to blame yourself. He knew, he's smart. He knew he could get his way done with coming to you too.
तो क्या करना चाहिए मैंने?
Ask a question. मेरे को, मैं भगवान गुरु, हम लोग सब क्वेश्चन सोचते हैं कोई गुरु बता दे या हमें आंसर बता दे. There is no one fixed answer. There is no one rule to rule every situation. Ask in every now moment. Ask. What can I do? What can I be? Who can I be? What can I choose that will work for all of us? What energy, space, and consciousness can I be to have total clarity and ease in all of this? What energy, space, consciousness, magic, miracle, mystery, choice do I have here at this moment that will work for both of us, that will lighten up our world? There could be a million questions that you can ask. Don't figure you can get it right. You can never get it right. Because you can't be him or he also. How do you know? Can you be right for yourself? It's not easy. Today I want this moment I want something else, the next moment I want something else. What the fuck, Kamal? अभी तो तूने ये कहा था, अभी तू ये कह रही है, पहले make up your mind. Universe tells me, it's okay. It's okay to want different in every now moment. There is no right, there is no wrong. There's just you being you in every now moment, choosing what's fun. 10-second increment. Choice should only last 10-second increment. It doesn't work, bye-bye. Now what? Something that didn't work for you when you were a child, what is the fun in imposing that now? Ask. Gary always says, never bring up your children the way you were brought up, but the way you would have liked to be brought up. So choose. There is no right, there is no wrong. Would I have liked this when I was small? You'd get your answers. Always be in question. Always. Never into ये ऐसे हो गया, वैसे नहीं हुआ, ये definition, ये. No. Just always, what is this? What can I do about this? Can I? Simple questions, there's no big questions you need to ask. What is this? What can I do about this? Can I change it? How can I change it?
Excuse me, Kaval.
Yes, Harshita. Mona, have you got your answer, darling?
Yeah, Kamal, but
What is the only but you sit on?
वो क्वेश्चंस भी आपके नहीं आ पाते.
ये 4 आएंगे क्वेश्चन के नहीं? आपने करी है, एक्सेस करी है?
हाँ जी, हाँ जी, हाँ जी.
So what is this? What can I do about this? Can I change it? How can? ये 4 क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हो?
हाँ जी, हाँ जी, हाँ जी.
What's right about this? I'm not getting. Who does this belong to? How does it get any better than this? What else? बस यही क्वेश्चन पूछो, और कोई बड़े क्वेश्चन पूछने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. Only have these 8-10 questions. What is this? What can I do about this? Can I change it? How can I change it? What's right about this I'm not getting? What's right about me I'm not getting? What's right about this situation I'm not getting? How does it get any better than this? What else is possible? That's all. You don't need to ask what heavy questions. For every situation, just ask that. You get your answers. I mean, not answers. You get the energy. Don't wait for answers. You will get the energy, you will get the situation, choose. यहाँ पे ट्रैफिक जैम होएगा तो आपको कुछ दिखाई नहीं देगा. यहाँ कुछ नहीं होगा. And let's see what shows up from wonderment and curiosity. Then you will be able to see what will work, because that will lighten up your world.
Exactly. कमल, ऐसा भी लगता है कि हमारा जो बचपन था वो बहुत इजी गोइंग था, इतना भी पजल नहीं था. मुझे ऐसा लगता है इजी था.
Yeah,
Now,
because
like,
there weren't so many other things that we पेड़ों पे चढ़ जाते थे. 8-10 बच्चे थे. माँ बाप को दिखाई नहीं देता था क्या हो रहा है क्या नहीं हो रहा. चाची मामी ताई पाल देती थी, पर बच्चों के अंदर तो कुछ होता ही होगा, क्योंकि everybody was same ना. So there was no comparison as such. Everybody, Gwandi the बच्चे भी NG कर रहे होंगे सी. So that is why. But now there are so many other things. You want only 1 or 2 child or no children. My children want no children. So now we have created our world like this. Choose what works for you. Don't go into stories. ऐसे होता था. अब है ये अच्छा. अब बताओ कैसे करना.
Yeah. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Yes, somebody was asking a question.
Yes,
Harshita?
Kaval. Yes.
हाँ, बोलो.
My question is not related to kids. Actually, yesterday I was giving baths to my mother-in-law. Energy was so heavy कि मुझे vomiting जैसा लग रहा था और बहुत ज़्यादा burping हो रहा था. So what was that? I'm not getting.
What if you didn't want to get that? Everything that is, destroy and get it.
I was still. I'm
So
feeling
when
so
you run
heavy.
somebody's bars, you also delete files that are common to both of you.
Oh my God.
So they say that it's also functioning for you. And secondly, they say run bars for people you don't get along with, because they will be releasing, you will be releasing, and you might be, it is very beneficial. So don't go into the kahani of it. It was, okay, fine, what is this? What can I do about this? Can I change it? How can I change it? Is there anything that I need to do here?
Okay, thank you. I was feeling to puke off or बिल्कुल burping stop नहीं हो रही थी. That's why I have asked you this. Thank you so much.
Good. So what was happening?
Thank
That
you.
means it was working.
Thank you.
Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Okay. Any burning, love you too, darling. Any burning desire before we say bye-bye? Or we are done? Next Sunday.
Neera
wanted
something. Kamal, can I say something?
Yes,
Yeah?
please go.
या मेरे को तो जब पेरेंटिंग का आता है, ग्रैंड पेरेंटिंग का आता है, मुझे तो वो कहानी बहुत अच्छी लगती है. एडिसन की, who discovered the bulb, I mean, he was the 4th standard, he was chucked out of school to be the most duffer child, and his mother said, the teacher said, you're too good to be in school. कोई schooling नहीं की, कोई engineering नहीं की, कोई पढ़ाई नहीं की, कोई कुछ नहीं किया. Nothing like all we do. बच्चे बड़े होके क्या बनेंगे, क्या करेंगे. He discovered the bulb. And if he didn't have the bulb, imagine जब sun set कर रहा होता था, everything would have been shut and we would have to sleep or just talk. अब तो हम सब कुछ करते हैं रातों रातों.
और वैसे इस सारी कहानी में एक चीज बहुत important है, उसकी माँ ने जो कहा.
Yes, that's important. That's why I thought, let me share this. We're all mothers, grandmothers, whatever.
तो एक बार ये रिपीट करो कि उसकी माँ ने क्या.
Oh, so his mother told him that there is this letter from school that you are the brightest kid over there, so you don't need any education. You know, you are at home because of that. And he had no clue what was written in that letter. He discovered it when he was about 70 plus. In one of the letters, you know, his mother's belongings. He opened and he saw the letter. The teacher had said that he's chucked out of school because he's so dumb. Imagine if the mother believed that, if she bought that, this lie that was thrown at her from the school. I mean, in her own way, she was so conscious that she made it an interesting point of view. वो school वालों का कहना है ना, उसका कहना तो नहीं था ना. She went with her truth, and she went with the child's truth, and she said, okay, what's true for him? He's the brightest kid, and he turned out to be the brightest. So what are the yardstick we are using? Do we want marks? Do we want a degree? Look at examples all around, not making death wrong or anything else wrong. What are our definitions of successful? Being success, a child being good, a child being a better. You have to check within yourselves, because those are the points of views we have bought. And इतनी अच्छी तरह buy करके हमारे molecular structure में वो आ गए हैं ना, that we work on autopilot, you know, and not making ourselves wrong for that. ठीक है, हो गया, थे your points of view. Okay, now check them out. You can change them. You're a magic. You're a magician. Magic बाहर नहीं है, तुम्हारे अंदर है. Even
Very
as
good.
parents.
Yeah. So please, when the child needs you think beating or giving a lecture, that is the time the child needs to know that he is the best in the world. Give him a hug, her or him a hug, and tell them you are the best. That is what changes the world. That is what parenting is. Summed up.
And also, he's so intelligent to have chosen you as a mother.
No, bilkul.
He's chosen you. So what better than this? How can it get better than this?
How does it? Yes, thank you. Thank you, Neera, so much.
Welcome.
Okay, guys, so we say bye-bye.
Bye.
Well,
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you.
Lovely.
Thank
Love you all. Take
Yeah. अभी ना जाओ छोड़कर, but
दिल अभी भरा नहीं.
दिल अभी भरा नहीं.
I could just go on and on. I love talking. Love you.
Okay. Bye. Bye, all of you.